Are you
I don't see anything. Nothing. It's all black. I mean, I see you, but it's very, very black.
It's black. Move.
Missy! Whee!
Oh, you got it on your hand? Where's your glove?
In the car.
Get 'em.
Go ahead. It's recording.
Hold on. You holding on? You ready?
She doesn't like it.
You done? Oh, come on. Okay. I thought you wanted the sled. Move. Let's move.
Come here. I know. We're getting
Mommy!
Aww. You okay? No. Where's your hands?
$250 worth of groceries. Go give her a bath.
You want to have a kitty? I know your hands hurt, don't they? Hold on. Look upstairs. Oh, you're frozen.